Take a few minutes just to help you with how to input the interest formulas into the Web 2.0 calculator that I'm suggesting that you use. So for the first one, let's just look at compound interest. So in a compound interest problem, you have your initial amount of money. So let's say I invest $2,000 and I invest it at a rate of, let's say, 0.2% annually because the interest rates are terrible right now. So if I did 0.2%, that would be zero point 0.2 and move the decimal place 2 places back. So that's actually 0.002. Since it's compounded annually, it would be the rate divided by 1. If it was compounded quarterly, rate divided by 2, etc. Then I'm going to raise it to the amount of time that it's compounded. So since it's annual, if I kept it in there for 5 years, this would be 5. If I was compounding it, say, quarterly over 5 years, that would be 20. So when I enter all of this in, I notice my usage of parentheses and what's populating up here. When I do that, I'm able to get the $2,020.08. So that's how we're going to do compound interest. Now, when we're looking at continuous interest, there's a little trick to that. So in continuous interest, let's say I'm still putting in that $2,000, and this is the button for E that you would use. And then remember the formula, you raise E to the R times T. So in the calculator, you're going to do the caret above the 6, and you're going to open parentheses. If you don't open parentheses, this will be wrong. So let's say I have my rate again at that 0.2%, and I'm going to keep it in there for 5 years. So if you notice this, do you see how the 0.2 stays in the exponent? That's really important. So the 0.2 being there is going to really allow us to get this correct. And so here I have $2,020.10. So that's how you're going to enter these into this calculator. This is a free online calculator. If you have a handheld you like, you're more than welcome to use it. But I just really like the way it shows me at the top in the math notation what I'm doing, so I can make sure that that looks like my formula on paper.